Hello, and welcome to English for Beginners. This is episode number 4. Today, we will practice numbers, prices, phone numbers, and money. Speak slowly with me. You're doing great. Today's word of the day is want. Want means you would like something. For example, I want water. I want coffee. Repeat after me. I want water. I want coffee. Good job. Now, let's practice numbers. First, just listen. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Now this time, repeat after me. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Let's keep going. 11 to 20. 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. Again, repeat after me. 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. Good. Now we're going into the tens. 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, 90, 100. Again, listen and repeat. 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, 90, 100. Now let's practice prices. Again, listen and repeat. It's 100 yen. It's 500 yen. It's 1,000 yen. How much is it? It's 1,000 yen. Great. Next, let's practice phone numbers. Listen carefully. 090 1234 5678. Listen and repeat. 090 1, 2, 3, 4 5, 6, 7, 8. Again, 090. 1, 2, 3, 4. 5, 6, 7, 8. Okay, so let's practice what we learned today. Listen and repeat. I want water. It's 200 yen. My number is 090. How much is it? I want coffee. Great job. So, here's today's tip. Repeat often. Say the same words many times. This helps your brain remember. You don't need to understand everything. Just repeat and listen. Say this out loud. I can use numbers in English. Again, I can use numbers in English. Yes, yes, you can. Great work today. You practiced numbers, prices, and phone numbers. Listen again and repeat again. This is Mark from mksenglish.com, and I'll see you in the next episode. Bye.